Hey guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. Excuse the fact that I have paint on my arm, but in today's video I'm going to be doing a room tour. I haven't filmed a room tour since I moved into my apartment. This is my room away from home since I moved here for college. I have decorated it to the best of my abilities. Not the best, tried my best. But whatever. Little disclaimer, coming September, I'm going to be redoing my entire room, so I figured I should just film this video now since this is how my room is, and why not? Like, some people like to look at my room, some people say it's cute, so we'll see. Okay, so this is the overview of my room. It is just a basic old room. I live in an apartment, so it is the master bedroom, and yes, I do pay extra for it because I have a roommate. But yeah, this is just my room, and I'm gonna just take you on a little tour. So when you look at the door, this is my huge calendar. And then just over here, I keep this gate that I have for our puppy because he likes to come in my room, and sometimes I don't like it since he tends to have accidents. And this is my scale, and this is my Alex 9 drawer, which I'm sure you all have seen. I'm not going to open it and go into detail, but if you guys want to see a makeup collection, I totally will do that for you. This is all my perfumes, literally all of them, and my lotions. I also have a dusty speaker here that clearly never gets used. Up here is this little board. It's supposed to say you made it this far, keep going, but I'm missing an eye. And then beside my 9 drawer is just the stand for my ring light. I have a couple yearbooks, my camera, some envelopes. Probably my favorite part of the room. Hello. This is my vanity that my dad made. He made it all himself. This is just all the lights. I have my headband here. I just have a bunch of products, makeup brushes, lip balms, my skincare stuff, candle, laptop, makeup bag, and then in here I just have like brushes and stuff. This is all my skincare, my glasses and makeup bags, all my candles. These are like baby wipes, makeup wipes, and this is all my hair tools. Got this desk on Kijiji, and then my dad just added the mirror with the lights on the back. And then this chair is from IKEA, and my purse is there as well. And then up here is also from IKEA, these shelves. I have this little fake hanging plant, a Sephora water, my little Buddha. This is supposed to be up, but it says Cassie, and then I have another New York keychain. I have some candies in here, some bracelets, a little frog thing, my golden rose that my boyfriend got me, little plant, a change jar in the back there, and then my favorite candle ever. Over here, this is my fan. It's really dusty, but I tend to get really hot since our heaters are literally on all the time, so I always have to have my fan on. But back here, usually you can see it better, is my jewelry tree. I have all my necklaces, bracelets, watches, everything. I have my rings in this little cup here. I have all my stuff there. I have my little vanilla chai latte spray, my diffuser. And then over here's a picture of my dogs, a snow globe, more candles, and then a picture of me and my boyfriend. Also, I have these hanging planters. I have 2 more, but I only have 2 up at the moment. They just hold fake plants, and I just put some rocks in them. Desk that can go over top of your bed, which is really awesome if you're doing homework or if you're eating or something. So underneath are my slippers, and then I just have a bunch of snacks here because late at night I tend to get hungry. Then I have these really dark curtains that tend to go literally black, which is awesome because I hate having light in the morning. This is my view. You can't really see much. My tissue box. I also have some things like some plants here and more candles. But down here I have this huge globe lamp that I've had forever and I love it. I have my sleep lotion, sleep spray, hand sanitizer, my wireless charger, my remote. I have a couple candles here, and then I have a picture of me and my parents. I also have this remote that actually turns on my fairy lights that go all the way across my room. I also have one of these, which is so cool. If you don't have one, I really suggest you get one, but it just keeps all your stuff, all your chargers and cables and stuff on the side of your night table. And then the bottom drawer, I keep all my important files and chargers, electronic stuff, and then I have my medications up here, and yeah. Then when you come over here, I have a big marble tapestry, whatever you want to call it, from Amazon. I have a dream catcher there. I have a huge pillow. This was from Walmart. My gray bedding is from Amazon. I'm not sure where these pillows are, but they're super fluffy and cute. I also have this hanging macrame thing on this wall because it was empty and I felt like it needed something. And then I just have my stuffed animals, my throw blanket. And right beside my bed is my full-length mirror. I absolutely love this. Above are some really crappy white flowers that are hiding a bunch of holes in my wall because I did have a TV hanging there, and it fell off the wall and broke. And then in this corner, I keep all my dirty laundry. And then this is my closet, so we'll go into here. I keep my purses, my robes on the back of the door. If you don't have an over-the-door organizer, I really suggest you get one because I love them, saving my life. In here, I just have my makeup brush cleaner, and then in this big box, I have an electric blanket. I keep my socks in here. That's a photo album. I keep my hats and like winter stuff in here. And then my closet is organized from dresses to tank tops to t-shirts to long sleeves, and then over here is pajama shirts, and then sweaters, hoodies, cardigans, jackets. Underneath, I have leggings, workout clothes, and tube tops, and then all my summer clothes, so like shorts and skirts and stuff are at the bottom. And then here I just have all my old textbooks and then a bunch of notebooks that I have been writing in. And then beside it, I have a big bin full of different pens and markers, and I just really like to write, so yeah. And then down here, I have this blanket that Brittany gave me for my birthday. It has a bunch of pictures. I keep it in there when I'm not using it. And then I just have a bunch of random stuff here. I have my ring light. I have my lash stuff in that Amazon box. And this is my shoe rack. It's half empty. And then over here is my skincare, hair care, and then like extra hair dye, extra shampoo, razors, whatever. And then that is my boyfriend's bin of clothes. Up here I have like notebooks and pens and like scissors and tape and everything. And then I have a big Adidas bag that has backpacks and more purses in it. And then when you come out of the closet, there is my trash can. And then my dresser that has more clothes in it. Bottom drawer is jeans. This drawer is track pants. This drawer is pajamas. And then this is like underwear and bras. I have two little fake plants here, my TV, and then I have this little to-do list thing that says make your dreams happen. Above my TV, I have a picture of me and my boyfriend. And then I also have our corsage and boutonniere from prom. This that I cut out of a card that my grandfather wrote me. Another one of the IKEA shelves. I have fake plants. I have all the Twilight books because don't even get me started. It's just my stuff. And then I have way more books, some pictures, some rocks that I've collected. I'm really weird. I like to pick up a rock wherever I go. It's weird. And then I have my plant. That is literally my entire room. I don't think I'm missing anything. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment suggestions for future videos down below and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.